Welcome back. So in this task we will split our dataset into training set and test set. So now we are opening the dataset. Let's go back to our file and enter another comment here, splitting our dataset into training and testing sets. We should use a package called katools or a library called katools in order to make a good split of our dataset into training set and test set. So this is the code to install any package in R. You click or you type install.package and the name of the package. Now we need to install katools package. But you can always check install libraries in the packages here. Click on packages and we can see that the katools library is shown here because I've already installed it before. But if you face any error when you want to execute or use this package, you should uncomment this line of code and install the katools package. Now in order to run this package, we just type library and the name of package without quotations, and let's execute it. Control plus enter. Okay, here small c for katools. Okay, then execute it again and we see this tick on katools, which means this library is ready to be used. Now let's split our data set into training set and test set, but first let's write this simple line of code. Set seed and choose a random number like 1 to 3 just to have similar results. Here we are going now to prepare the method that we are going to call split equal sample dot split, and we type dataset, which is the name of our dataset, and this $sign. We choose the annual salary, which is our dependent variable, and then we choose the split ratio to be 3/4, which means we'll be using 75% of our data as training set to train our model on, and 25% of our data as testing set to test our model on. And as we know in machine learning uh, projects, we always split our data set into training and test sets, and the common way is to split the training set to be 75% or more. Here we are defining our training set equals subset because the training set is a subset of our data set, and it's a subset of our data set, and we choose split equal true. This split equal true means we are using this 3/4 or 75% of our dataset as training set, and we will set the test split to be false in order to give the testing set 25% of our data. Same line of code, subset of dataset, and the split We'll assign it to be false. And now we are ready to execute our code as shown. Control plus enter to execute it, and we can see here our training set and testing set. If you click on the training set, we will see that 75% of our data set is training set, and here if we double click on testing set also we can view the testing set, which is only 25% of our data, and they are randomly split. So you will see here like 67, 68, 69, 89, 97. So what we want or what we need to know here is that the testing set is only 25% of our data set and the training set is 75% of our data set. Okay, so congratulations. Now we have splitted our data set into training set and test set. In the next task, we will fit our model and make amazing predictions. See you then.